We will be providing, of course, the necessary support as well as know-how regarding the drills at ating pong, meron kasi ang ating Philippine National Police, meron tayong kinakandak na tinatawag nating security assessment. Yung titignan po natin ang security survey inspection rather. We will be inspecting institutions or structures. Titignan natin kung ang anong kahinaan when it comes to physical security at yung entry at exit ng mga tao. Titignan po natin ito lahat. And then after the conduct of that survey, yun po ang survey, the inspection will be after they have complied. Titignan natin kung na-comply nila yung mga suggestion natin or mga recommendation natin to strengthen yung physical security ng isang Ito po idagdag dito. And of course, know-how kung ano po ang dapat gawin ng ating mga kababayan, lalo na ating mga mag-aaral in cases po na may nangyari po talagang ganito, abtic shooter ulit.